Morning again, guys. It's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. It's a rainy Monday morning here in the UK, and kids are off lounging about. Thought we'd have a quick video before going out and about and doing our shopping today. I've just been really excited. I've just finished. It's my latest project. It's a little mini daybook for me. I have a busy week. I do quite a lot on my sort of Christian ministry out and about with my friends, and what I like to do, I started at the beginning of last summer, is have a little day book by my bed that actually just I put in there on a daily basis which my friends I'm meeting up with and what we're going to do, and then I can track. I keep an eye, if something changes and one of us can't make it, swap around, I can just pop it in there. So it's not meant for massive journaling, it's just meant to look nice and for me to have my daily plans in and bits for the kids and whatever else. So last year when I first decided I needed one of these, I did struggle a bit. I picked up, in the end, I just got a little paper chase sort of ring binder journal thing. And what I did with this, I started in, I think it was July, and I basically experimented. I had fun. I experimented with stamping, with a little bit of collage, just different colours. So yeah, that's what I did right up until February. And then in end of January, I decided to make myself one, because I couldn't find what I really liked. And a little while ago, when I first started looking at YouTube and Ladies at Junk Journal, there was a lady's site I came across, and her name was called, she was Wandeka Gayle. I'll put a link to her website, her channel, on the notes below, description below. I watched her make a journal from a cereal box and napkins. She covered this box and filled it with gorgeous papers, and I was absolutely sold. It's true junk journal, just using whatever you have. So this one I decided I would make from this Nescafe box, this coffee box. And again, nobody's paying me to talk about the brands, but my husband loves he has one every morning, so I buy them every week. So I've got loads of these boxes, and inspired by that particular video with the cereal box, I thought for the size that I want, this is absolutely ideal. So I made it from that, and I will probably do another video after this and show you what the things I put in it, and perhaps do a little tutorial. If you'd like to see a tutorial on how I put that together, that would be great. So this is my day book. That's the front. I used basically, this paper was from Hobbycraft. They had a sale. I've still got loads of it left actually, and I just love this paper, so I got some of that, and I covered the front with that. Used a Tim Holtz book plate thing, and a Tim Holtz hitch fastener as well. And this metal thingy on the back was from the works. I think I got a big sheet of 6 or 7 different ones for about, it was £1.50, and I didn't know what to do with them at the time, to be honest, but I thought I'd do it anyway. Okay, so here is the flip through. I'll try not to speak too much. That's the front page. I reinforced with 2 or 3 pieces of card just to reinforce that make it a bit stronger. I tried to do a hidden spine on this one, which was fine, and I used double-sided tape. But what I found was, it's just a learning curve for me, is that when I opened it up, the spine kept lifting away. So I ended up having to do a stitch just to secure the spine to the back of the book. Anyway, I started this in January to begin in March, I think. So this is March, but what you'll find is when I just do the flip through, I haven't really used much of it, because at the end of February I got a phone call from my mum saying my dad was poorly, and I sort of had to fly abroad. So it really didn't get filled in because I wasn't home, and I've only just finished it off since I got home from seeing mum and dad. But this is give you an idea of the things I filled it with. I like the different layers, and I like the different size pages. As you can see, I've used my edging scissors again. Some of it might be a bit wonky. It's only for me, so it doesn't really matter, to be fair. Might be a bit wonky, but what's happened is I put it all together and then I got my scissors, so I cut them when the pages were already in. Note to self, don't do that. Just use the scissors. Cut your pages before you sew in your signatures. It goes for a better finish. But this is just a card. So a writing set I got from a charity shop. This picture here is from a book. I just loved it. And this was the start of the dust cover of a book on daffodils, which is absolutely beautiful. I'll do a flip through of it. I bought it for 50p, I think, from one of the shops, and I can't cut it up. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Anyway, so that's March. I thought I'd start now because I really want to start using it, but I wanted to show you before I started to write in it. So April, this is from the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady. I love it, and I bought two so I could cut one up and keep one. But they're quite plentiful in the charity shops. This is my second signature, so this is for April. Okay. Again, I just thought I'd go for like a theme with umbrellas, April showers, that sort of thing. And I might do a little. That was a postcard. This was a postcard from one of the charity shops I picked up. I dressed the back. This is from Daphne's Diary. Daphne's Diary. A Kate Greenaway print, which I love. Daphne's Diary, and I've collaged. So what you'll find is I've tried probably up to maybe June with the numbers on the dates. I might go back in and add days. I might not, to be honest. Isn't that beautiful? That's from one of the children's poetry books. And these little pictures were from, if I can hold on one moment, I think I picked that up. Impressionist Gardens. That was one of the books that I used a lot of pages from. So they have a nice size. And that's another one, book of quotations and for special occasions. But the prints in there, the pictures in there are lovely, and they were just the right size for this. So there you go. Oh, sorry. The other side of that beautiful Parisian picture. And I've just done collages as well. Used washi tape. This is going into May now. Okay, hope you can see well. And that's a doily. This was a card. Heart Foundation, I think. I got a big batch of cards. Greetings cards. And that's the first side of it. Collage. You can see. I don't know if that's better. Is that better to be able to see what's going on? There you go. That's one of the gardens. I picked that up from somewhere. It's one of my bigger books, I think. And I just did a collage because I just love that. And it's for me. It's for me, so I can fill it with the things that I like. Washi tape. And a collage there. Other side of the beautiful picture. That was from an art book. I think that picture, an art book. And I did a collage there. I will do a little video just after of the different books and things that I used to put this together. Again, so when you're out and about, I did this, it was just washi tape layered, and I don't think you see that little print there. That was from that little address book, but aren't the colours gorgeous? And doesn't it just say summer? Summer, can't wait. Right, so that's June. My July signature, again, that was a card that I picked up from one of the charity shops. I decorated it. I love these. I'd had these letters in my stash for a while. Wild colours, I thought, but they go well with this page. Greetings card. That's another country floral book. I love my florals, as you'll notice going through. things for me. That was a greetings card, so I've cut it down, collaged. And that's from a book, wallpaper sample book. Again, just look at that beautiful little, I don't know if you can see, that was from that little address book I got for 50p. This is lovely, and it's from the Impressionist Gardens, I think. Collage there. Edwardian Diary. And that was from another... Anyway, just love the little decoration on the top there. Washi. And okay, that's that. July. This one's going to go through to August. Collage. There you go. I'll try it. So this is June. That says that's just from the back. That was from the address book as well. And I think this is the last. No, what are we now? Oh, I'm a bit confused here. This is July. This is July. How much time have we got? I think I might just end this here. It's gone on. I'm still trying to gauge the time for my videos. Don't want to be too boring. I'll end it here. This will be part 1. So my day book part 1, flip through, and then we'll come back and we'll carry on with the last 2 signatures, which would be July and August. See you soon. Take care. If you like what you see, please subscribe if it's the first time you've viewed my channel. Leave a comment below on what you think about this, whether or not you'd like me to do a tutorial. I'm quite happy to do a tutorial, and yeah, just let me know what you think. Take care. Bye bye.